Hello student, today we are going to see book back example. It's a 5th chapter, 13th problem. We are going to discuss the problem is asked from lift. Okay, first I will tell you what is a given data. Okay, the mass is given 70 kg. Velocity, there are 4 questions asked in that particular question. The velocity is 10 meter per second. Okay, the object is moving with the uniform velocity. Lift is moving uniform velocity. Okay, for all the 4 cases they asked what is the mass, actually sorry, weight. Okay, what is the weight and mass. Okay, then lift is moving downwards. What is acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Okay, now they asked weight and mass. The lift is moving upwards, acceleration is 5 meter per second square, and what is the weight and mass is a question. Then the 4th case, lift system is getting failure. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, so now what is the weight? This is what they asked the question. Okay, one by one question we are going to solve. It's a 5th chapter, 13th problem we are going to discuss now. Okay, if you want more video you can go and see in my playlist. I am given all the question in a chapter wise. Okay, if you want any question explanation means please comment that question, I will do it. Okay, the first question. So first question, we have the lift. Okay, we have the lift like this. Okay, we imagine the lift is at rest. Okay, imagine the lift is at rest. Okay, so upwards is a reactional force, downwards is the mg, weight of the object. The lift is at rest, it is at the ground. Okay, so the case we are taken as a rest. Now upwards minus downwards, only this 2 is there. R is equal to mg. What is m? 70. What is g? G is 10 also you can take it, or 9.8 also you can take it. I am taken as a 10. So we will get as a 700 Newton as a weight. Okay, the reactional force is 700 Newton. Okay, now what is the mass? Mass is equal to reactional force divided by gravity. F is equal to MENO. Same only, I am taken R is equal to mg. R is equal to mg. Okay, so g, if we are dividing 70 divided by 700 divided by 10, 0 get cancelled. The mass is going to be the 70 kg. Okay, the first case, it's not a first case, I am taken as a rest. Okay, now first case, the lift is moving up. Okay, the lift is moving up. Okay, with the uniform velocity. Okay, uniform velocity 10 meter per second. Okay, when the lift is moving up or down with the uniform velocity, there is no change in the acceleration due to gravity. The mass is going to be the same. Okay, when only this is when it's going to move with the uniform velocity. Actually, practically this is not going to happen when the lift is not going to move with the uniform acceleration. Okay, now even it's moving uniform velocity, its answer will be the same the rest case only, because that's not going to change any of the effect. Okay, now the second condition, now the lift is moving down. Okay, second condition, the lift is moving down. So I am taken lift. Okay, so is the person is sitting here, the mass will be act downwards, mg will be act downwards, reactional force will be upwards, reactional force will be upwards. Now which side is the lift is moving? Downwards. Okay, with the acceleration of a. Now which side is moving? No, that is a greater magnitude. That means this is going to be greater magnitude. So you have to write mg minus downwards minus upwards is equal to me. It's very simple equation. Only once you know this equation, easily you are able to solve whatever problem they are asking. Okay, I will repeat again. Which side is moving? No, that is the first term, you should take it. Okay, the opposite side term next time you have to take it is equal to resultant me. Okay, now if you want r, okay, r is equal to this, you can bring here, this you can take it here, minus will become plus, this plus will become minus mg minus me. What is m? M is 70, common, you can take it out. What is g? G is 10. What is a? 5. Okay, so 70 into 5, I'll get as a 350 Newton. Okay, 350 Newton, it is a reactional force. Okay, if you want what is the mass, so actually mass is equal to R divided by G. Simply you can take it as denominator as a G. Okay, 10, that's going to be 350 divided by 10. I'll feel mass is a 35 kg. Okay, it's less than the actual kg because G minus A. Okay, next. So apparent weight is going to be the 350 Newton. Okay, actually the weight is a question mark. Okay, now third question I am going to do. What is third one? It is a third one. The lift is moving downwards, upwards. Okay, the person is standing here. Lift is moving upwards with the mass into acceleration. Okay, reactional force upwards. Gravity will be downwards. This is what I am writing when the lift is moving upwards. Okay, now what I can take it now, this will become greater than this because it's moving upward. Okay, so r minus, always greater minus, which side is moving now, that minus opposite side, mg is equal to resultant, that's going to be ma. Okay, the moving thing is called resultant. Okay, now how I am going to tackle this problem, it's very simple only. So mg you can take it that side, r is equal to ma plus mg. Okay, m is how much, 70, a is how much, 5, g is how much, 10. Okay, so 15 into 70, so 70 into 15, I will get 1050 Newton. Okay, now apparent weight is going to be increased than the actual weight. Okay, you will feel more weight because of lift is moving upwards. Okay, now what is the mass? Mass is equal to r divided by g. You have to divide with the gravity, that's it. Okay, so 150 divided by 10, so I'll get mass as 105 kg. Now the fourth question, the lift is got failure. Okay, the lift is failure. So now what will be happen, we'll see fourth case, lift is failure. Okay, so lift is failure means it's coming down, it is called lift. The person is standing here. Okay, mg will be downwards, r will be upwards. Okay, so ma will be like this, so I can write downwards minus upwards is equal to m times of a, resultant. This minus this is equal to this. Okay, now I want r is equal to mg minus ma. This already I told you how to do. Okay, now it is second case. Okay, now our acceleration coming downwards is a is equal to g, because it's failure system, it's going to come with the gravity. Okay, acceleration due to gravity, a is equal to g means I'll get reactional force is 0 Newton, so we'll feel weightlessness. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.